अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू स्कूल इंस्टीट्यूट। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे टूल के मुतालिक जो कि आपके यूट्यूब जर्नी को बहुत ज़्यादा आसान बना देगा। Let's suppose if you want to create a unique and stunning title for your YouTube videos, or you want to create or write a detailed description of your video or about your video, or if you want to create unique tags or wonderful or SEO friendly tags, then you need this tool. Yes, this tool is OpenAI. OpenAI, Open Artificial Intelligence. We will use it. But before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. If you are a YouTuber or you want to become a YouTuber, then you need this tool. This tool will let you create unique titles, descriptions, and also tags for your videos. How to use it? Just as simple as 1 to 3. If you haven't heard about this tool before this, just open openai.com URL in your browser and scroll down for creating an account. Just click on login. After this, you will see this window. From here, you can create by signing up and continue with your email or choose your Microsoft account or Google account. In this way, you can create OpenAI account. I have also created, so I will choose continue with Google. I select my account. After this, or after logged in, you will see this window. From here, just select playground. You can also use this window to create stunning title, description and tags. But we will use ChatGPT. Just click on right now. After this, you will see this window. From here, you have to give any suggestion or you can ask any question from ChatGPT or from OpenAI to create anything that you want. Let's suppose we are going to create a unique video, or we are going to create a video on iPhone 14 Pro Max or on iPhone 14. Let's suppose I have unboxed iPhone 14 so that I want to create a title for that video. What I will write here? I write a title for unboxing iPhone 14 and hit enter. After that, you will see unboxing the new iPhone 14, a first look at Apple's latest flagship device. But remember, if you don't like this title, don't worry, just click on generate response. After clicking on regenerate response, you will see a unique and other title, unboxing the iPhone 14, a first look at Apple's latest flagship smartphone. Now, this one and the first one is changed. I click another time. Now, it's little bit change again. I want to create little bit longer. So, I will write here, please give me a little long title and hit enter simply. And now you can see a little bit longer. After this, you need description. You will write description for this title and hit enter. After this, you will see a description. You can say a short description. If you want some more, just write some more or more simple. So here's some additional information about the iPhone 14 that you could include in your description. You can use these points also in description. Right? After this, you need tags for your video. For tagging, just write, please give me some tags for this video and hit enter. You can see tags for your unboxed iPhone 14. Alright, you can use all of these tags in video tags section. If you want more, just write some more or simple more. And here you can see. But if you don't like these short tail or short keywords or short tags, just write, I need long tail keywords or tags and hit enter. And here you will see long tail keywords or long tail tags. You can use all of these. Hope so you like this video and you like these tips and tricks about OpenAI or artificial intelligence. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.